Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to give you a little overview of the parts and stuff that I'm going to be putting on this traxxas two-wheel drive rustler that I'm going to rebuild, because when I got it, this is basically was it. I mean, it came with slash tires because I got it from a friend who used the other tires and he just put on slash tires. I don't know, just to put them on. But this is basically all it came with. No electronics, no nothing, no body, no, just the tires. But I took them off because I'm not going to be running those tires. So I just want to go through the parts that I'm going to be putting on here for the first video of this rebuild. And then I'm gonna do the rebuild in a couple parts. I don't know how many parts, as many parts as it's gonna take to rebuild this thing. So let's start with the tires. So the rear tires that I'm gonna be running are these Traxxas 6-pack ST tires, 2.8-inch tires. These are going on the rears. Very aggressive tread. I don't know if you can see that. But I just like the tread on these tires, how they look, how aggressive they look. I like the black rims, wheels as well. But yeah, these are going to be the rears. These are going on the rears. For the fronts, I have the Traxxas black chrome alias tires. The tag, I ripped the tag off on accident, but Traxxas black chrome. There's the regular chrome, there's the black chrome. I like the black chrome more, so that's why I got the black chrome. I think it looks better as well. But it's just the regular Traxxas alias ribbed tires for the fronts. Now we're gonna get into the box of just the little stuff that's missing from this. So I got the front wheel hexes, which are the tall offset wheel hexes. That's the part number right there. You need these for the fronts. These are the ones that go on the fronts. The regular wheel hexes just go on the rears. And you need the tall offsets to go on the front. So, got the tall offsets for the front. I got the Fly Sky receiver that pairs to this remote right here. So, it's just a receiver that pairs to this remote. I have like the 20 model memory or whatever. So I just got a new receiver for that. Put that back. Just some screws here. Just regular old screws that are missing. I went through the parts diagram and I wrote down everything I needed from here, and then I just looked at the parts diagram and I got every specific screw that I needed for whatever part was missing. So some screws here. What else? The gearbox cover, or the rear transmission cover right here. I got the ESC mount. It was missing the ESC mount, like I said. It didn't even come with that, so that was missing too. So I got the ESC mount. I have just another packet of screws. So this is, actually this is the battery hold down. Screws. The pinion, I think I got the 16 tooth, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So I got the 16 tooth pinion for the motor. I got the servo saver for the steering, and then just more screws. And then I got the gear adapter things for like to put on the motor. That go in between the motor and the mounting, where you mount the motor. And I also have the receiver box because, like I said, it didn't come with one. So got the receiver box right here. And last in the box is the steering servo. This is just a cheap Amazon servo. This is like what I replace all my servos. None have failed me yet, so I just got the same one for the steering. And it's a light truck, so it's not gonna have a lot of load on the servo, so I think it should be plenty of power. So now I'm gonna show you the batteries. These are the batteries that I got. It's a Z 5200 milliamp 2S LiPo 80C discharge. The motor that I got can run 3S, but they said the best thing to do is like on where I got the motor is to run 2S. So that's what I'm doing. Just running 2S. Got 2 of these. I won't be running the EC3 connectors. I'm gonna run XT90s. I just ordered a packet of them and they're not here yet, so waiting on those. And last but definitely not least, it's actually the most important part of this whole build, is the motor. And the motor that I got is from Onyx. I got the 4-pole 4000 kV motor and 70 amp ESC 2 to 3S compatible, but like I said, I'm only gonna run 2S. 2S should be plenty for this. I mean, it's a light truck, like it doesn't weigh nothing at all. 2-wheel drive, 2S is gonna be enough power. So here is the motor. Boom, there it is. So look at that. Onyx 4000 kV. Again, Onyx ABC. The other side. Oh, I can't throw it in the trash. But yeah, that's the motor right there, blue. So I also have a body coming that I haven't gotten yet. So I have a body coming, and I'm thinking, since this is blue, I might paint the body blue. Well, like not all blue. Do a little paint scheme, but like blue is gonna be the primary color. So put that off to the side. And now the ESC. And there's the ESC. Like I said, I'm not gonna be running these EC3 connectors. I'm gonna have to solder on some XT90s. But yeah, here's the ESC. Comes with the fan that's already on. Here's the bullet connectors, the switch. Since this is like an aftermarket ESC and it didn't come with the rustler, I'm gonna have to, when I mount it up, do some double-sided tape or some hot glue or something to mount this up. But yeah, that's it. Those are all the parts that will basically get this car up and running. And I'm excited because if you watch my first ever video on this channel, this is my only and first electric RC. So I'm excited to put it together. And I bought a new charger and everything. I brought everything to get this thing up and running. I got a LiPo charger because I don't want to mess anything up on here. So this is gonna be my first electric RC, and I'm very excited to put this thing together for you guys and run it because I've never ran a hobby grade. Like obviously as a kid I had those little cheap electric RCs, but I never had a hobby grade electric RC, and I'm very excited to put these things on. So yeah, like I said, I saw the body coming. It's just a regular, it's from Traxxas. It's just the original body, like the original body style that went on the Rustler. I also have 2 other bodies coming for my RC10 GT, and I have a body for my XTM accelerator that will hopefully fit. So I'm gonna be in another video, I'm gonna be showing me painting those. But like I said, we're gonna do this in parts. I don't know what I'm gonna start with first, but probably all the like plastic parts inside or something, and then work my way out from there. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys want to see me rebuilding this Rustler and get it back to its former glory, make sure to like, comment, subscribe so you can get the notifications when I upload a video of me rebuilding this. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.